The average Houston commuter watches between $720 and $1,920 drain from their bank accounts every single year just to get to work. But if you are a disabled veteran living in the greater Houston area, your cost to drive on Beltway 8, the Grand Parkway, and the Westpark Tollway is exactly $0. However, attempting to use these roads before following a specific protocol will result in massive penalty fees. As you can see on this checklist, the first strict requirement is securing a VA-certified service-connected disability rating of at least 50%. There is one specific exception. Veterans with a 40% rating qualify if that rating is due to the amputation of a lower extremity. Second, your vehicle must be registered in the state of Texas, and the registration must be explicitly in your own name. Possessing these qualifications is only the starting line. To protect your bank account from the automated toll cameras, you must execute a precise chronological sequence. Step 1 begins on the va.gov portal. You need to log in and download your official federal proof of eligibility. The only document accepted for this process is your official benefits summary letter. Step 2 translates that federal paperwork into state-recognized physical plates. This is the most common point of failure for veterans. Do not take your paperwork to the DMV or the Department of Public Safety. Doing so will result in an immediate rejection. In Texas, you must go directly to your local county tax assessor collector's office, such as the Harris County or Fort Bend County Tax Office. At the counter, you must present your VA benefits letter alongside this specific state of Texas application form, Form VTR 615. If the office has disabled veteran plates in stock, they will hand them to you in the same day. If not, you will receive a temporary paper tag while the metal plates arrive by mail over the next 2 to 4 weeks. Once you have them, you must secure them to your vehicle immediately. Securing the physical plates is the analog foundation of this benefit. However, the plates alone do not notify the digital toll networks that your account should be zeroed out. Step 3 involves upgrading your vehicle's footprint from physical identification to an electronic EasyTag account. Go online to HCTRA.org or download the official EasyTag app to create an account. When ordering your EasyTag, your new DV license plate number must be explicitly linked to your profile. Place your mailed EasyTag exactly where this diagram indicates, inside your windshield, directly behind or below your rearview mirror, and below the tin strip. While county cameras can automatically read DV plates, the physical transponder acts as a mandatory secondary verification for the system. Completing your EasyTag registration provides the necessary data required to navigate the most isolated toll system in the region. Step 4 addresses the Fort Bend County Toll Road Authority, or FBCTRA. This is the biggest hurdle for veterans. Unlike other counties, Fort Bend uses a manual opt-in system. Driving the Westpark Tollway or Fort Bend Parkway without this step results in per-mile bills. Go to fbctra.com/veterans. The portal requires 2 identifiers, your DV plate and EasyTag numbers. Submit the form, wait exactly 48 hours for a confirmation email, and do not drive there until it arrives. Step 5 shifts from initial setup to ongoing maintenance using the EasyTag smartphone app. Check this app once a month. You are looking for your transaction history to verify that every trip registers as exactly $0. If a charge appears, it indicates a camera glitch that needs to be addressed with customer service immediately. If you buy a new car or receive replacement plates, you must update the app instantly to ensure your benefit continues without interruption. Technology occasionally fails to read plates correctly. Monthly monitoring ensures that automated errors don't lead to unexpected bills. With the final step complete, your vehicle registration is now recognized by all Houston area toll authorities. To review, the TX system on the Grand Parkway applies your discount automatically via camera observation, requiring no manual intervention. The HCTRA system on Beltway 8 is also automatic, though calling their customer service line to verify your plates are in the system is a recommended safeguard. Finally, the FBCTRA system on the Westpark Tollway relies entirely on the manual registration you just completed. By following this chronological process, you have secured your eligibility for free tolls and protected your finances from avoidable violations.